Hello everyone. What I have today is a 2005 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited LJ. This is a super clean Jeep, Patriot Blue. It's got a lot of cool things on it. Has an old man emu, suspension lift. It's got Dana 44 rear with the disc brakes and 456 gears. Dana gears. This Jeep has a rebuilt salvage title. Selling this for a close family member of mine. It was purchased from us many years ago. It's got the JK Rubicon 10th anniversary wheels with the BFG tires, size 255, 75, 17. WeatherTech floor liners. It's got 142,977 miles. Alpine CD radio. Rear seat. Sound pods. Underneath, nice and clean. So if you're looking for a clean LJ, this may be it. It's nice and clean, got a 2-inch old man emu, and I told you about the gears. You can send us an email or give us a call and I can get you the contact info for the person that owns it. This thing runs good, drives good, shifts good. LJs are only getting harder to find, so this may be what you want. Have a good one. Bye.